Hey y'all, here we've got the honey fig cutting number 2. Also looking quite bushy. We'll see what we can do with that as the year goes on. Some of the ends look like they got hit with a little too cold, so I may snip the ends of these off. But the trunk itself looks good. It's not as thick as the honey fig cutting number 1, so I think the cold got to it a little more. I think the insulation helped a lot, but it's looking real good. That's the honey fig cutting number 2 for the month of March.